By the end of the video, we'll know about total body transformation. 30-minute beginner's bodyweight routine. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting journey of transforming your body and mind with a simple, effective 30-minute beginner's bodyweight routine. So, let's get our workout gear ready and start strong. The first step is to choose a suitable location. Your home gym is perfect if you have one, but if not, your backyard or even a park will do. The key is to focus on your workout, not the surroundings. The second step is to warm up. Start with a few dynamic stretches, some light cardio to increase heart rate, and some static stretches to activate your muscles. This will ensure you're ready for the workout ahead. Now for the workout itself. We've designed a 30-minute routine that targets all areas of your body using only your body weight. Remember, start slow and build up gradually. This workout can be scaled up or down depending on your fitness level. For maximum benefits, it's recommended that you do this routine 3 times a week for at least 12 weeks. Consistency is key here. It takes time for our bodies to adapt and transform when building muscle and burning fat. Always remember to stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the workout and after you're done. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in this transformation too. So make sure you eat right as well. And remember, sleep is crucial too. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal recovery and results from your total body transformation journey. Thank you for joining us today on this transformational journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Until next time, keep moving and stay fit.